Alright, now we're getting to the fun part. Let's have a look at ClickFunnels. This is where the real magic happens. Of course, there are multiple ways you can set up your website or sales page to sell your product and collect money. You could do WordPress with multiple plugins. You could use Wix with some plugins and modules. But in the end, we want to make it easy, and you want to launch your site fast, and you want to be able to collect money as soon as possible. And this is where ClickFunnels come in. Some people hate them and some people love them, but in the end what's really important is that this is a system that's designed to help you sell stuff fast without additional hassle. So what it will let you do is it will let you set up your sales funnels with a simple drag and drop page editor, and you can set up your funnels to convert. It's really easy and it has all the automated features that you need. And we will be using ClickFunnels to build your funnel, because in the end, I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So this is the tool that I chose. It comes with a free trial, so you can sign up and have a look at it, test it out. You can build your funnel, launch it, and hopefully it will start generating some money for you before you actually have to pay for it. So let's have a look inside. This is my ClickFunnels dashboard. These are the funnels that I have in my system right now. So what we will do first is we will set up a very simple funnel that's just designed to get people's email address. They'll go on your mailing list. So this is the thing that we will do first, and then we'll look at actually building your own sales funnel with everything that comes with it. So let's start with the new funnel. So I'll just click on Add New. And you have two options here. One is to use their Cookbook builder process, and they also have the classic funnel builder. There are slight differences in them. The Cookbook will basically offer you templates that you can use to start your funnel. So let's have a look at the Cookbook process first. We click on it and you basically say what industry are you in, or what type of funnel are you looking for, and we'll filter them for you. So if I want to just generate leads, these are the funnels that I have here. And what I really want is just a lead magnet funnel. If you click on select funnel, it will give you a little preview of what pages are included. You can see that you will be collecting leads, and it has 2 pages. And all that you have there are the lead magnet, which is a free offer that you give to people in exchange for their email address. It's an ethical bribe. And here are some templates that are already designed for you. The top ones are free, and then you have some paid templates as well. But to be honest, you don't really need to pay for those. And if you click on a funnel, it will give you a preview. So let's just click on this one. And you've got this step 1, got your logo and a bit of text, field for your email address, and a submit button. And the second one is the thank you page. But I don't really want that. I want to show you how to do it from scratch. So let's just say that I want a blank lead magnet. It's this blue one in the middle. So just click on the blank funnel. Click on get. And the system will prepare it for you. It's a blank page. It won't take too long. Okay, so now I have my 2 pages here on the left hand side. These are the funnel steps. And again, you have some templates that you can choose from for your page. So you can choose a template that you like, that fits the best to what you are trying to achieve. Or you can just do a blank page. Again, if you click on preview, it will show you what the page will look like. So for example, if I select this big blur opt-in and just click preview, this is how your page will actually look like, and you will be able to edit everything on the page, but this is the starting point that you will get. So there is a blank page at the bottom. So I'll just select this blank page so I can show you everything that you need to know. Blank page, select template. Okay, so this is my first funnel step, my lead magnet. Let's click on Edit Page. It'll open your drag and drop editor, which is really easy to use. And it works in sections, rows, and columns or elements. So let's just show if I delete everything here. Delete. Okay, so let's add a new section. First you need a section. You will select how wide you want your section. So I'll just click on white section here. White. Then in the section you can add multiple rows. And you can select if it's supposed to be 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns and whatnot. We will have a logo at the top. We will have another row with a heading. And then we will add 2 columns, one for the contact form and one for the text. And then we can add 1 row for a thank you text, for example. This is the basic layout of my page. In here we will click add new element at the top. And first what I want just a logo. So just put a logo in here. Let's just select one of the images that we have. Pick one, select the image and go add image. And that's my logo. If you scale your column left or right, it will scale smaller or bigger. So that's my logo. In here I'll click add new element and I want a headline. Then we will add some text. We can also add image. And you can reposition these elements up or down. In the elements, we'll add form. So let's say that I want to add a input form, my email address. Then underneath, I will want to add form element for a name. And then underneath, we'll add a form element for a submit button. And you can see it already kind of predefined what's going to be there. So the last thing at the bottom, we will have some text. And now let's edit it. So you can edit the headline and you've got your settings. So you can select font. There are different fonts that you can choose from. You can change the text color. Of course, you can make it smaller or bigger, and you can change the top margins and bottom margins of the element. So I'll just leave it at that. Now in here we'll put some image. So just select an image that I've already uploaded to my system. Let's just use one of these. This image here, go add. That's my image. And again, if I click on settings, you can actually change the size of the image in pixels. You can give the image different borders. But for now, I don't really want a border, so I'll get rid of this. And at the bottom, I've got my text. So you can say, please sign up so we can send you awesome stuff. And at the bottom, again, you have this little text, so you can change the setting, you can change the font, change that to different font, you can move it downwards a little bit. You can type whatever you want there. Okay, let's have a look at the form. So I have my email address as a first field. So the input type, this is where you go. You just click on the settings for the form field. And you say that this is an email address. And this setting is important because it will connect in your system. So you type in, select email, type your email address here. And it's required. And in the second field will be, let's say that we want just first name. And it's not required. And the same as we had with images, we have different themes, so you can change how the form field will look like. Let's say that we want a 3D with gradient. And the same for the first field, it's 3D with gradient. You can change if the corners are going to be round or square, and so on. You can also add icons. If I go to the advanced, and let's say that I want an icon here, email icon. And the icon is black. And here we've got name, and again it will be black. And click to sign up. This is my button. Let's say that we want to click to subscribe. You can also add subtext, so it can be subscribe to our awesome stuff. And what we need is to set action. In this case, we will just click submit form, and that's all you need to do. Go back, and you have your sign up form ready. It's really easy, eh? What you can also do is you can put some image in the background. Go to the settings and a background, and as a background image you can click at the top on backgrounds. So these are just some gradients that are in the system. You can also get a stock image, and you just go to search, and let's just say that I want to search for an image with a city. And you've got all these images you can choose from, and they come free as part of your ClickFunnels account. So just select one, go add image. And now you can see I have my background image. What I can also do is I can click on this section, and let's say that I want this section to actually be slightly transparent. So I'll give it white background, just with a little bit of transparency. And now you have your really cool looking subscription form all done. And the beauty of it is that you also have it ready for mobile. So while we've been building this for desktop, it has also automatically prepared your page for a mobile phone. So if I switch this to mobile view, this is what people on a mobile phone will see. See, it's already done for you. You don't have to worry about it. So let's just click save. I'll give it some titles. So it's my subscription form. Click on save. and you can exit the page. So this is your page that we have just created. It took us like 5 minutes, and we have a subscription form. And the form will collect anything that's inputted in there in the system automatically. But when people sign up, you'll also want to thank them. So let's create a thank you page. Here you can select some of those templates. So let's put them to good use and just select a template here. Let's click on this really simple thank you template. It will set it up for us. This is our thank you page. We'll click on edit so we can make a few changes to it. And you can just go and replace the logo. So let's use the one that we have used before. Add image. That's our logo. Thank you. And because we had that beautiful image there in the background, let's put it back. So we'll just set background and go to image. Search. We looked at that city. Photo. If you double click on the photo, it will get added to your library. So you can also do that. And it has some background on the section, which I don't really want. So I'll just change that to the semi-transparent white background. And I want this section to be not full page, but to be just white. And now that we have white or light background, let's change the text color to dark blue. And let's change the text color of this text as well. And let's save our page. Create a title, thank you page. Save. And again, it's already prepared for mobile view as well, so you don't have to worry about responsivity of your page. It's done automatically with ClickFunnels, which is just awesome bonus, because if you were to design the pages in WordPress or some other tools, or God forbid do it by hand, it would be so much work. So there you go, you've got your first funnel. It has 2 steps. It's lead magnet and a thank you page. And if you want to view it, this is the URL where you will see the page. So let's just have a look at it. And this is my page that we have just created. Got logo, text, email field, name, and the subscription submit form button. So let's try it. A random email in here. Let's give it my name and click to subscribe. It's submitting, and we're going back to our thank you page. That's it. Really simple. You have your first contact form. Beautiful page, and it's collecting the data automatically. And it took us 10 minutes to do. If I were to set up a website on WordPress, it would probably take me 2 weeks to get it to the point where I would actually like it. And it would be 2 weeks of hard work. That's why I like using ClickFunnels, because they just make it so easy. Let's see if we have actually collected my email address. So in here I have my funnel. And if I click on stats, it will show you how many people visited your page. You can see it's been just us this one time. And how many people opted in. And if you click on contacts, you will see that this is the contact that we had. This is the person that just signed up to your form. And you can download this and import it into your email marketing software if you want to. So that's it, the lead magnet funnel.